Mrs. Lawrence from Waco, Texas called me. Mr. Martin, I watch your video and I'm going to send you 11 by 17 Saruk Oriental rug. Very old. That's my dog's using it quite often. I sent this rug already 2-3 times to be clean. And now it feel sticky. It feel like a piece of cardboard. It's so stiff. I don't know it's from the urine, it's from all the cleaning product that I used, or the residue from the carpet cleaner that's cleaned my Oriental rug. Can you remove all the stickness and all the residue and make the rug fluffy and nice again like it used to be? Why your Oriental rug become stiff as a cardboard? Why it is not fluffy like it's supposed to be? Very simple. The dog apply pee-pee, you apply cleaning product, and you can see how much sud each one of them generated. It's mean all the cleaning product in the market contain detergent. When you apply the soap on the pee-pee, you will end with a pee-pee soap. The pee-pee soap is not going to disappear. It's going to stay in the rug. And more you apply, more soap in the rug. Then you decide that's it, I cannot take it anymore. You send it to a local Oriental rug cleaner. That he clean your Oriental rug with detergent. So adding more fuel to the fire. Now your Oriental rug is saturated with so much chemicals in it, then it become stiff. Hello, my name is Mayor Martin. I'm the owner, the inventor of a new revolutionary cleaning process that clean your Oriental rug without all the chemicals that you see it right now on the screen. All the cleaning product that I'm using, odor free. It is absolutely soap free, enzyme free, deodorize free. It's natural Dead Sea cleaner. How PetPeePee remove all the sticky, the pee-pee from the rug? We build the PetPeePee machine that clean the Oriental rug, the area rug, the wool rug, the silk rug through the rug, by using the natural, odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea and a very, very strong vinegar. The combination of the PetPeePee machine that's vacuum through the rug. We rinse all the soap, the detergent, the enzyme, the pee-pee, the dog saliva, all of this we rinse out down to the bottom of the pen and we send it to the sewage. shows me in real time what coming from the rug. All the soap, the detergent. This is how I clean the rug. And when I send the rug, when I ship the rug back to my customer, the rug will be fluffy, nice, without any residue of soap or detergent. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee video. Enjoy my video, enjoy the music. Please take the time, subscribe to my channel, because one day you're going to have a dog, an Oriental rug, and you may need my service. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee, Oriental rug drapery cleaning naturally by using the Dead Sea Cleaner.